Welcome back to our YouTube channel, guys. My name's Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce another one of our videos. In today's video, I'm walking around a Nissan GTR that we've upgraded with a product called Target Blu Eye. It's an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys on the road for all approaching emergency service vehicles that is marked and unmarked. Yes, now that's got your attention. Hit that subscribe button below. Let's go. So just before we begin on today's video, I want to talk to you about a competition that we've got going on for 10k subscriber massive giveaway. We've got some awesome prizes, just like the brand new PlayStation 5 here and the Auditor Prima 8.9 amplifiers up for grabs. All you got to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel, follow the link in the description below, and the full details are all live directly on there. Today's video is all about the Nissan GTR and about Target Blu Eye. So it's an emergency service warning device that alerts you guys on the road of all approaching emergency service vehicles that is marked and unmarked. We've done a full separate video going through the unboxing and a bit more of a technical guide on exactly how the product works. However, this is showcasing you another install on another GTR. Yes, we've done a fair few of them now. So we've got an antenna that sits in the front bumper area. Then we've got a physical cable run coming into the vehicle. That goes into a little control box, which in essence is the brain of the system. Then we've got the display mounted in a position exactly decided with the customer this morning during the sort of consultation. As the car got dropped off, we sit down with the customer, go through everything, finalize everything on the actual install, and go through exactly where everything's going to be placed. The display is mounted exactly where the customer wanted it, up at the top. We can also do custom mirror solutions, so we can do quite a few different variations on how we want the actual install to look. However, customer, I'm sure, are going to be over the moon with using the product day in and day out now. So basically it goes from green to red as a visual warning of as you approach an emergency service vehicle, but it's also got an audible tone which is fully adjustable. You can adjust brightness on it, you can also turn off the unit as well, and you can also adjust the volume from it as well. So basically what it's doing is picking up what's called tetra signal, and in essence from the antenna it basically is looking for that tetra signal every 4 seconds. It then relays that information. It doesn't distinguish between or separate between a unmarked police car and an ambulance or a fire. What it basically, and that's the reason why it's completely legal in this country. So it's a really cool bit of kit, and I wouldn't really want to be driving a car without it. Just knowing what's coming up and ahead so you can safely move out of the way of approaching emergency service vehicle is a very important thing. Once you've had it, you won't be able to go back. It's a really nice bit of kit. There are plenty of other Target Blu Eye videos live already on our YouTube channel, and there's sure many more to come. So make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future videos. But thank you very much for watching, guys. We'll see you soon.